America is the country of the world, and they have to think, they have to stop this. And instead of after it has happened and after some people has been dead, it might take so much wound, and it would wound the world also.
Yeah, this is something which we didn't expect to happen, but since we have passed, since we have a very good experience in handling, war situations, I think I personally feel this is something we can handle.
They are two of the world's poorest nations, hardly able to feed their populations, let alone afford a war that will cost dearly in both financial and human terms. But for the second day running, the fighting between Eritrea and Ethiopia did escalate and threaten to engulf the region. Ethiopian jet fighters bombed the combined military and civilian airport in Asmara in an attack which claimed many lives. Ethiopian government officials said the attack had been in retaliation for an Eritrean bombing raid on Mekelle Airport, in which at least 44 civilians were killed and 135 injured. They claimed a primary school had also been targeted in the raid.
Helicopter taking off on the left. Helicopter.
Come on.